Hi there. So, welcome to the Plan a Honeymoon action plan on Life.Cafe. And we're super excited about this plan. It's got so many great tips and tricks and information, things that are often overlooked that our experts have put together so you can plan an amazing honeymoon together. This is definitely a great opportunity during the wedding planning for the two of you to get closer and get to learn more about each other and what your ideas are for the honeymoon. You'd be surprised how many couples out there have very different ideas. So it's a great opportunity to think about after the wedding, after all the crazy stress and planning, what the two of you can enjoy together. So this is just a little tour here to show you what some of the tips and tricks are going to look like, and you can save anything that you really like. So let's say there are things you definitely think are super helpful. Here's some often overlooked expenses. I definitely want to favorite that. Something I want to make sure that I am taking care of as I'm doing our honeymoon planning. And I can flip over any card and think of it as a post-it note. This is just going to allow you to take notes as you go, and it'll save it right away so you can remember what you were thinking about. It also allows the two of you to put things in, whether it's notes to each other. You can have fun with this and even be a little more romantic. So when they're going through and looking at the cards that you've liked and favorited, and let's say they're checking out, oh, what is my fiance done since we last worked on this together, they can see your hearts and then see your notes on the back. It makes it really easy. This way, you're not filling up each other's inboxes full of all these emails back and forth. They're trying to remember if they texted it to you or if it's on a Google spreadsheet. It keeps everything super zen and in one place. And also, it's private. So, only the two of you who are using your shared email account is often what we recommend for the honeymoon. You guys know that you're the only one who have eyes on this. So, you can really enjoy the experience of planning the honeymoon. And as you go through different steps, it's going to walk you through expert advice, their checklists. So definitely engage with that. You can cross things off as you've narrowed them in. You can also play videos right inside, which again is super nice. So you can both watch the same things. All the cards flip over. So even a video you can write your notes on if you'd like. So going down, you'll see this is showing us a lot of the different types of honeymoons. And this is often a step that gets overlooked where people just assume they know exactly what type of honeymoon the other person is thinking of. And really, it's steps like this that make all the difference. And at the top of each step, once you guys go through and complete these action cards and go through all the information and tips and learn about things, you'll see their specialties at the top that are recommended. So this is going to help you search near you different vendors and get ideas. So, because you are doing honeymoon, it's going to pull up these local results based on your location right now. So, here I am in San Francisco, and it's pulling up some amazing vineyards that we have. We're very close to Sonoma, so we have quite a few options in the area. However, let's say we're going to be in Italy or France. I can go to my homepage here, which is the main page, and scroll down and select a different location on the map. And this is going to be really important um, as you're doing honeymoon planning, especially because you're going to want to search activities and things in different locations. So keep that in mind that as you go along and you're using these specialties, that you set the location for what you really want to be searching, because otherwise it'll automatically populate wherever you're physically at that moment. So planning a honeymoon is so much more intimate and fun, and yet you've got expert guidance. And if you're working with a travel agent, you can definitely be able to have them come on to Life.Cafe, encourage them to be an expert, and they can create their own action plan for you. So let's say that we've gotten you started and gotten you going, and then you get down to the list and you're really going into the shopping part and you're like, we love our agent. She's fabulous. Thank you for connecting us with her. Then you can actually find those people, share with them Life Cafe. They can create an action plan so that you're following the steps they want you to follow for their process there on out. So this is a great resource, not just for you, but also for your local vendors that you love and you choose and trust with your wedding planning and your honeymoon. So as you go down and you're getting ready to leave for that honeymoon, I'm scrolling down to the last step here. There's all these wonderful tips and information as you go. And we just want you to realize that you have an expert guided plan here for you. This is free. You can click on it. If you love it, please share it. And we really hope this keeps you both in a very zen and romantic state of mind as you begin your lives together and go on your honeymoon and the most wonderful vacation that the two of you have had up to this point, of course. So, again, congratulations. Thanks so much for checking out this new amazing honeymoon action plan, and stay tuned for our next action plans.